Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Remove two 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the keyboard and the palm rest, and slide along the bottom edge to pop the keyboard free. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Plug the keyboard cable back into the motherboard. Slide the bottom of the keyboard cable back onto its tabs, and push the top down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 6mm screws in the bottom cover.